Alright, let's try out this Ryobi 18-inch chainsaw. It comes with a 5 amp hour battery, but I took the one from the lawnmower and put it on here because who doesn't want more power? Alright. So, this is someone that knows absolutely nothing about chainsaws or chainsawing. I don't know if I've ever chainsawed a piece of wood other than some type of silly pruning device. So you pull back, that engages it, and you're ready to go. Pull back on the button. There we go. Here's going to be our piece of work. What's holding this up? Twigs. Pretty safe. That was butter. But the tree's rotted. I don't know. Seems pretty solid to me, though. That doesn't really look like rotted wood. What's holding this whole tree up? Definitely not that. So I have no doubt if I were to put that on there, it will cut through it. This thing's definitely going. It's got a few more little fireplace sized pieces off of this. Yeah, man, I'd say this is definitely do the job I need. Let's go like this and see what happens when you use the brake. Okay, nice. So you just click that with your knuckles if things get hectic. Safe to say it's tearing this up. Whatever, let's nibble this up. Hope this camera's in a good position. smaller pieces. I got something in my shoe. Holy shit. Come on with this. Oh my God. Alright. I'm not trying to take a shower in those needles. Whatever they are. Seeds. What's holding this mess up? Whatever's holding this up, I am not cutting. That thing's going to stay just like that. And I'll just keep nibbling it to pieces as I need it for firewood. That's on there. I mean, it's like it's on. This is doing nothing. What's under my feet? Not too much. And it's variable speed. I can control the speed. That's nice. Keep munching our way through here. Let's keep some semblance of safety with keep these rolly guys out from under my feet. Working our way in. Damn, that is in there tight. None of those low branches are getting cut. Get out of here. branches, and those are staying just like they are. So what's holding this? Seriously, what is holding this? All that mess over there. Once that's released, then this dude wants to be loose. Let's go. The obvious branches that are holding nothing. This shit is all dead. I'll take it like that. This dude. This I want to cut down just because. Shit is solid. All right, locked. That's enough chainsaw fun and games. To cut that tree up, somebody needs to start nibbling it from that yard first, coming this way. Because it definitely wants to fall that way. So if you just keep chewing it to pieces. Actually, I don't really know. But is this bushes? It branches. Branches, I guess. What's in here? I feel something. I got the thing clicked forward. All right, let's run that grass out of there. Actually, not too pleased I ran the grass into there. Let's see if cutting some more wood will clean that grass out. not fussing with that too much. Come on, stay up there. Let's cut through that. Long ways. Really test it. Maybe the blade's sharp, maybe the tool is new, probably all of the above, but with my limited knowledge of chainsaws, I'd say I'm pretty happy with this. Take the battery off, so I no doubt about weird stuff happening. Alright. I didn't really check the battery before I started, but there's one left. This battery was used on lawns and things, and I don't know if that's considered a loose blade, but if it can go over that edge, seems like it could use to be tightened up. All right, if it could use to be tightened up, let's figure out how that's done. There's a wrench looking at me right there. Let's go back to some regular work gloves. Yeah. I don't know shit about chainsaws, but that looks loose. It's heavy even without the all right, wrench is there. How easy is it to get this out of there with bare fingers without a tool in your pocket? Guess we're about to find out. Guess it goes this way. And I got no tools. Got is this wimpy thing here. I ain't gonna do nothing. Screwdriver would be nice. You need something to pop this out of there. Ugh. All right, let's improvise. Brute force. I see what's holding it in. There it goes. There it goes. You can do it if you're determined. If you had 5-in-1 anything in your pocket, that would be nice to pop that out of there. All right. Oh boy, we're packed with all kinds of fun. All kinds of goodies in there. All right, let's put it away clean. So, these guys are my nemesis. Covered in burrs. And I knew that bush was there too. What an idiot. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. How many times am I going to do that before I realize it's not going to... I knew that bush was there. Not be stupid and drop this in the wood pile. Okay. Front pocket. Okay, front pocket. Put this tool in the front pocket. Maybe these gloves will be better for tearing burrs off. Yeah, definitely. There's always more. Alright, let's clean this dude out, put it away. It's a job for the leaf blower. Actually, it's a job for the compressor gun. Let's make sure no parts fall out of this if we do that. Okay. What's this say? Adjustable blocking. That's out of the track. That's in the track. That's pretty clean right there. For a chainsaw, that's clean. Guess we're going to figure out how to tension this now. Let's put everything in the blade where it's supposed to run. Come on, get in there. Get in there. That's in there. That's in there. Everything's in where it belongs. These teeth are sharp, so absolutely something you don't want to be doing without gloves. All right, that's in there. This part is definitely a little awkward. How does this function? What does this do? When I put this on, this pin wants to go where? Pin wants to go in there. Back this dude up. It's not lining up with it. Guess I'll see in a second if it's going to the left. Unwinding, you'd think it would get looser, so let's see what that did. No, not yet. Come on. Let's start turning this and see which way it goes. Got to understand how this works before you. Okay. All right, so turning to the right is moving it back. Is that right? No, it's not. I mean, this stuff made of plastic, that's super weak. But let's be real. Something goes wrong with this, Home Depot's getting it back. I like the tool though. Just slap it in a different box and try to return it. If they don't take it, make a big gripe, tell them it's a piece of crap. And it's still just almost there. Now it's in the hole. Boom. That's in there. Oh great, I forgot which way it goes. I forgot which way it goes. Let's see. The arrow's pointing this way for. See if it gets tight. Really just don't know how the arrows go. So turning this way, turning counterclockwise. All right, that makes sense. Turning counterclockwise makes it looser. That makes sense. Every normal person would think that, so just confirmed it. Clockwise tightens it. Let's get the blade back in its track. Blade back in its track. Let's let the battery do some resting there. Boom. Everything is in its track. Alright, where's that in relation to the hole? Okay, that's fine. Turn forwards. Yeah, this is much better, resting it on something. That's just about to fall into place. fell into place. Boom. Give it a few more twists just so I don't come out of the track. Okay. You always find another one. There it is. Take these guys down, but not all the way. So keep the blade where we want it to be. Alright. It's actually pretty tight. Let's see what happens if I do this now. Is that too tight? Couldn't tell you. Let's go with that's too tight. That could still come off the edge, so it'll go like that. I'm not going to go crazy tightening it. That should be good. Keep the tool in my pocket for a second. Alright, now it's clean. Pull it back. Looking at the blade, everything seems okay. Let's give it a little touch and see what happens. Let's say we're good. All right. I don't know if that video is helpful to anyone, but that's the Ryobi 40 volt, 18-inch, with a battery that really had just a little charge on it.